This is part 2 of my video for the floor refinishing. This is the condition of my floor currently. It's a pretty bad shape in some areas, and while others are okay with some scratches. So for now, this is after about 24 hours. I sprayed this area, only just this part that you see here. This area with a polyshade spray can to cover up those big scratches like this one here, and then there was some over here. I had to double coat the spray. You see some darker areas. Yeah, that's where I sprayed the polyshade. Over here, this area, I did only a single coat over there. So what I'm going to do is now I'm gonna cover it up with this thing. Minwax one step complete floor finish. So let's see, I'll show you the results after I'm done with this.